We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page, and I'm working with an HP Laserjet Pro M501. So really simple on this machine. You're going to want to go ahead and hit OK, and then you'll have a menu. Go ahead and hit up until you see reports. So it says setup menu reports, hit OK, and then you're going to want to go up to supply status, hit OK, and then it should start printing your supply status page. You can find useful information on this, such as the original install date of your toner, how many pages you printed on it, and so much more information. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.